Today I'm going to show you how to collaborate in real time on Google Drive. So the very nice thing about Google, all their software tools, is that everything can happen in real time while you're working on something, okay? So right over here, if you click on new, you can actually create a document, sheet, slide, a video, a form, and then there's a bunch more, okay? So if you go into, let's say perhaps Google Docs, you're going to literally open Google Docs. Now, if somebody else is working on this document, then you'll actually see a little blip. You see mine is a green S. You'll see a little blip right over here where they're actually working. And as I'm typing, you'll actually see the typing on that person's screen in real time and vice versa. So what we're going to do here is this untitled document. We are just going to say real-time document over here. And this, you can just hit enter. And this real-time document, you'll see, if you go into your Google Drive again and we just refresh this page, you'll see that it says real-time document. Okay, so this is like how it is going to be. So now what we can do is hit the three dots, come down here to share, click on share, and now you can go into here. You can say either anyone with the link, click over here, change the permissions to editor, and then copy the link and send it to whoever you want to collaborate with, or just add their email address in right over here. Now, once you've done that, that person will have access here, and they'll have access literally in real time. So you'll literally see them working while they are working, and it's fantastic.